Adding a SIP trunk to your VoiceHost account. Start by navigating to Call Routing and then SIP Trunk. Click the plus in the right-hand corner to start adding the trunk. Set a nickname to identify the trunk, and select the correct emergency services address. Next, configure the outbound time restrictions and your outbound calling restrictions. These steps work on an opt-in basis, so be sure to tick the options you wish to use. In the next step, add the IP address of where your PBX is based in the Restrict to IP address field for an extra layer of security. After this, you can leave the next page with the default settings and proceed to the confirmation step to finish adding the trunk. Now your trunk has been added, you will need to set the inbound destination of your telephone number. Click Telephone Numbers on the left. Click your desired number and change the destination drop-down to the new trunk. You will now have access to the trunk ID, authentication password and host address, which will need to be entered into your PBX to connect the device to the VoiceHost platform. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.